Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you this pink cut crease, and we're going to start off by priming the skin with the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. Next, using my Fit Me in shade Nude Beige, just going to blend that into the skin. Using my favorite concealer at the moment is the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C8, just blending that in. Next, I'm going to use my Alouette Face Paint in Blooming Berry. This is a cream blush. It looks intense, but it blends out to a nice finish. Next, I'm going to use my Fit Me powder in light medium and set it and forget it. Use my Milani Baked Bronzer in Soleil to bronze up the skin. Next, I'm going to contour by using the LA Colors Contour in Tan. The contour, I'm using a Luxie 207 medium inline brush and cleaning up under with the lighter powder with a BMX 430 crease brush. A little bit more blush never hurt anybody, just using the Pretty Vulgar blush in Vixen to lightly add a little bit more rosy pinkness to my cheeks. Next, I'm using my Wet n Wild highlighter in Precious Petals and an Eco Tools brush to blend that into the skin. Just using my retractable brow pencil in medium brown from Wet n Wild to just fill in the gaps, since I think I have naturally nice brows. Just using a light peachy transition pink from my Peach 2 palette to create a light pink transition. Take Me Back to Brazil palette in that really bright hot pink and blending a bit of that into the crease as well. Don't forget to blend under the lower lash line. Now, using this Princess palette, I just took a pinky red to deepen out the outer corners of my eyes. Taking the slightest black from the Take Me Back to Brazil, just lightly tapping a little bit of that in to really deepen out the outer edge. Taking my concealer and just cutting the crease. Taking that peachy pink color from my Peach 2 palette, that shimmer, just to give it a little something to the eye. Off camera, I did apply mascara and lashes. Next, I'm just using this Ofra liquid lipstick to finish off the look. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it was helpful. This is the final look.